Here at the European Mint, we operate the most advanced intaglio presses in the world. This machine behind me is crucial for the new currency's integrity. The key to the process is the controlled rotation of this drum. We maintain precise pressure, which is why you see this. As you can observe, the denomination and the architectural design appear lighter due to the varied paper density. So in summary, the security of the finished note relies on these integrated features: the watermark, the security thread, When I run my finger across the offset sample, it is smooth. But the intaglio print, you can actually feel the ink standing up from the paper. We integrate multiple layers of security. The watermark and security threads are visible here under UV light.
Reject detected at station 3. Logging the error and continuing the high-speed run.
This section covers the main printing processes: intaglio printing, raised ink, offset printing, serial.
Welcome to the security verification zone. Once the bundles are wrapped, they undergo a multi-layered scanning process. This facility is secured by a multi-layer defense system. We track every gram from the moment it enters this vault until it reaches its destination.
Clear to load pallet 2. Seal confirmed, Unit 4-6. All units, the convoy is en route. Ensure the perimeter is secure and the gate is clear.
Ultimately, the integrity of the currency relies on meticulous security and the dedication of our team. It is a responsibility we take very seriously.
It is freezing out there this morning.
Good thing I grabbed this extra large coffee. I am going to need it.
Morning, almost time.
Yes, almost ready. These new coats are stiff.
Better than the old ones. See you on the floor.
So I told him, that's not a coin, that's my grandmother's button collection.
No way, you actually said that.
That is hilarious.
As we move the loop from the 2002 series to the new note, the contrast is stark. The modern hologram shows sophisticated color shifts.
The spectral analysis on the new substrate shows strong resilience.
And the fiber alignment is holding consistent under magnification.
Versions. To stay ahead, we must continuously innovate. We are exploring quantum encrypted micro patterns.
Seals confirmed against manifest, sir. Numbers match exactly.
Very good. Acknowledged and accepted. Proceed with storage.
Here's the 50.
Thank you. I'll be right back with your change.
Here is your change, €85.
Thank you very much.
From bustling exchanges to quiet transactions, currency is the lifeblood of our global economy. It is a symbol of